Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to join the Dmail Airdrop. So on Dmail, you will get a Web3 email address. The first thing you need to do is to click on the link in the description and you will see this page. The next thing to do is to connect your wallet. You can connect your wallet via several options. You can use the EVM wallet by connecting with each of these options. So any option that you prefer, click on it and use it to connect your wallet. You can either use the StarkNet option by clicking on StarkNet and clicking any of these wallet options, or you click on Internet Computer and click on any of these wallet options that you prefer. In this case, I'll be using my regular MetaMask, so I click on MetaMask. Once you've logged in, you will get a welcome message from Dmail. The next thing to do is to start accumulating points. Now, to see all the tasks that you need to do to accumulate points, click on this reward icon where my mouse is, and you can see all the tasks that you need to do to get points. Most of the tasks involve sending emails on various networks, and I'll show you how to do this in a minute. First thing you want to do is to subscribe to at least 5 projects to earn your first 50 points. To subscribe, click on the subscription menu here. You can see, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to each of these projects. When you've subscribed to at least 5, you will get your first 50 points. Click on the reward icon to see how many points you've gotten and to see how you got the points. So in this case, I've subscribed to at least 5 projects. You can see I've completed it. I've followed Dmail Official on Twitter. This is another task you can do. So do that and get your 50 points. Set your auto message forwarding. Follow the prompts to do that to get your 100 points. To get your email address on Dmail, click on the wallet icon here and you will see your email address. You can copy it. Now to send an email to someone on Dmail, you will need the person's email address and the person's principal ID. So you will need to copy the email address here by clicking on the copy icon. Click on the copy icon beside the principal ID. So you need this to send emails to someone on Dmail. But to users outside Dmail, maybe you are sending to an Ethermail or another Web3 email address or a regular Web2 email address like your Gmail, you don't need the principal ID. You only need the principal ID when you're sending to a Dmail user. So if you send someone your Gmail address to message you, also send them your principal ID, because without the principal ID, they won't be able to send a message. Another way to get your email address is by clicking on settings and you can see your default address. You can click on the copy icon to copy, and you can also see your principal ID. Click on it to copy it. So let's go back to our points. To get your referral code to invite your friends, click on invite and you will see your code here. Click on the copy icon to copy the code. Back to the meat of the day, you can send emails every day to claim points. Okay, sending emails give you points every day. Now to send an email, you need to select your network. To select your network, click on your wallet address at the top right of your screen. Just beside the Dmail icon here, you will see the network. In this case, I'm on linear mainnet. So to switch your network, click on it and you will see a list of networks here. So if you want to choose a network, click on the network. Let's say I want to switch to ZK-Sync, so I click on ZK-Sync. Accept the approval request in your wallet. So in this case, I'm going to be switching from linear to ZK-Sync. And now I have switched. To confirm that, click on your wallet address again, and you can see here I'm on the ZK-Sync mainnet. So any email I'm sending will be sent via ZK-Sync. You need to pay gas for using Ether on ZK-Sync mainnet. So be mindful of that when switching on the network. If you're using Ethereum, you need Ether on Ethereum. If you're using BNB chain, you need BNB to pay for gas fees. If you're using ZK-Sync mainnet, you need Ether to pay for gas fees. If you're using linear mainnet, you need Ether on linear. If you're using OPBNB, you need BNB on the OPBNB chain and the likes. Make sure you have enough to pay for your gas fees. The gas fees are pretty cheap. So let's send an email. Now to send an email, click on the compose button. And here you will see your email address here, and this is where you enter the email address of whoever you're sending the email to. You can enter the subject here, you can enter the text. It's just like a regular email. Okay, so in this case, you paste the address of the user. This is the address of the user I want to send an email to, and this is their principal ID. So now I'll enter the subject and I'll enter the content for the email. To send the email, click on send and accept the approval request. Remember, you need some gas fee to send this mail. So you see what it shows here. So in this case, I'm going to pay $0.12 worth of Ether on ZK-Sync mainnet. So to approve the request, tap on confirm. and you can see the email has been sent. If you go back to your point by clicking on it, you will see that my points have increased. And how did it increase? Send an email on ZK Sync chain. You can see here it shows completed. To accumulate your points, you can send emails on several chains. Now, OPBNB chain is one of the cheapest because the gas fees are almost zero. You can send an email to a Web2 user to earn 10 points per day. A Web2 user is just a regular email address that is not on Web3 like your Gmail, your Yahoo Mail, and the like. Just tap on compose, enter their email address here. It could be a Gmail address or whatever email it is, and you don't need a principal ID in this case. So once you click on it, enter the subject, enter the content, and click on send. Let me switch to OPBNB to reply one of those messages. So I click on the wallet button here at the top right of the screen as usual. Click on the network to bring the drop down, and I click on OPBNB. So I switch my network to OPBNB. Click on switch network, depending on the wallet app you're using, options may be different. So now I am on the OPBNB mainnet. So let me reply one of those messages. To reply a message, open the message and you will see this icon here, just like a regular email. Click on it to reply and click on send. You can see OPBNB is almost free. So click on confirm and I have replied. So let's wait for the confirmation. Your email has been sent. Let me go back to my point. You can see that my point has increased. Why did it increase? Let's see the reason. Send an email by OPBNB chain. You can see here it shows completed. As much as you can afford, try to send at least one email on each of these chains per day to earn your points. Now you may be wondering why are some addresses showing as the wallet address at dmail.ai, why some addresses are showing as words at dmail.ai. For example, this address is showing cryptobunkie at dmail.ai and my address is conduct at dmail.ai as opposed to having the wallet address. This is just like your regular domain name system on Web2, where you can have facebook.com as opposed to having an IP address. So here you can mint your NFT domain name on Dmail. It's pretty cheap. I think when I did it was about $5 or $6. So if you want to have a name like this that people can easily remember, you can mint it in the NFT market by clicking on NFT market and clicking on the NFT domain account. So I have already added a domain account here, which is the conduct at dmail.ai. So there's no option for me to add another one here, but if you haven't, you will see an option to set up your NFT domain account, and all you have to do is to select your domain name if it's available and you pay for it, and that's it. So that's it about the Dmail airdrop. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Dmail updates, crypto airdrops, tutorials, tips, alphas, and any opportunities. So claim your Web3 email on Dmail. My Dmail address is in the description, so shoot me an email and I'll respond to you when I can. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.